So I wanted to make a video about my lift since there's a lot of information out there and things that get confusing. So I wanted to share my experience so you guys see how I was able to do it. I purchased this lift from a local company here in Dallas, and it's under their branding. So specifically, I wanted to address the ceiling height issue. If you do a search, you'll find all types of information out there. Generally, you see a lot of people telling you not to bother with a lift unless you have 11-foot ceilings. Obviously, I didn't listen. If you're like me, you work on your own stuff, so a lift was a must. My garage has 9-foot 4-inch ceilings. I've had this lift installed for a few months now, and it's been a great addition to my garage. I have enough room to get under the cars to work on them, and I can even stack the cars when I need extra space in the garage. I'm going to post all of the specific dimensions of the lift at the end of this video, and I'm also going to post them in the description. So a lift can be done on shorter ceilings like mine, but there are some modifications and compromises that have to be made. The biggest modification I had to do to make the lift work was installing a high lift garage door opener. So you can see that the typical garage door opener doesn't work, since the door would open right where the car would be when the car is lifted. I wanted to make sure I could open and close the garage door with the car lifted all the way up, so I went with a LiftMaster garage door opener, and it's side mounted. This was a good solution to give me ceiling clearance. It gets rid of the unit being mounted from the ceiling and brings the door closer to the ceiling when it opens. Other things to keep in mind is you want to make sure that you have a level floor, and you can do simple things like backing in the car so you get more clearance. The other thing you want to keep in mind is that if you want to jack the car up while it's on the lift, you obviously need to bring it up lower to have more clearance, or if you want to do something like keep the hood open when you're lifting it up. The heights of your car also matters, obviously, if you have like a truck or something, but thankfully both of my cars are short enough to make this work with my ceilings. So at the bottom line is, should you get a lift? If you like working on your own stuff, then yes, absolutely. If you have a small garage like mine and you want more storage by stacking cars, it's a great addition. Please feel free to leave questions in the comments below. I'll definitely do my best to answer them. I also have my email address in the description if you want to shoot me an email. Really appreciate you guys watching. Thanks again, and we'll see you on the next one.